You recondition a heat exchanger for one out of two reasons. One, it's lost performance, and the other one is because the gaskets between the plates are approaching end of life. My name is Magnus Edmain, and I'm head of service for gasketed plate heat exchangers at Alfa Laval. Our skilled professionals use state-of-the-art equipment, state-of-the-art service procedures, and the highest quality spare parts. And that's important because that gives you performance as good as new, it gives you reliability as good as new, but it also gives you an opportunity to learn about emerging problems and also what to do about them. The first thing we do when we receive the heat exchanger is arrival inspection. And here we're looking for any present or emerging problems with the heat exchanger. We remove the gaskets by submerging the plates in a liquid nitrogen bath. And this is a very gentle and efficient way of removing all the gaskets and the glue residues. And you want to do that because if you don't get all of that away, you might face problems sealing the unit later on. We clean the plates by submerging them in a caustic and an acid bath. It's important to get the right chemicals, concentration, temperature, and duration in order to have an efficient cleaning process. If you get that right, you get plates in as good as new condition, and if you don't get it right, you risk damaging the plates. We do post-cleaning inspection in order to identify signs of cracks, corrosion, and deformation. And that's important because that helps you to improve the reliability of the equipment when it's back in operation. We do a non-destructive crack test in order to identify cracks not even visible to the eye. And that's important because you want to identify those so you don't have any failures when you put the unit back in operation. We use a two-component cured glue to give a very strong bond between the gasket and the plate. That gives you the advantage when you do service in between reconditioning that the gaskets don't fall out and your cleaning processes will be more efficient. To ensure the right shape of the gasket, the right hardness, the right compound, and the right dimensional tolerances, we only use genuine Alfa Laval gaskets. And that helps you to avoid premature leakage, or even worse, damaging the plates. We prefer to receive the entire unit when you service equipment with us. By doing so, we can inspect the pressure-retaining parts and advise on replacement needs. We can restore the corrosion protection. We can also make sure that all the plates are installed in the right order to get you the right performance when the unit is back. By servicing the frame with us, you're also ensured to get the unit tightened to the right specification. Not over-tightened, not under-tightened, but to the right specification. And that avoids damaging the plates. At the end, we also do a hydrostatic test, and that is to detect any internal or external leakages after assembly. In our service reports, you'll be able to see exactly what we've done to the unit, the problems we've identified, and also advice on future maintenance needs. When reconditioning your equipment, it's really important to work with a partner who has very good product knowledge, that uses state-of-the-art technology, service procedures, and the right spare parts for your equipment. Not getting all of this right means a risk of more than doubling the cost of maintenance during the life cycle of the product, and that without even considering the costs of downtime or lost production. It's a great piece of equipment. Let's make sure it stays that way.